Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to another plant care session here at Succulents Box. Today, we're diving into something slower, more patient, but super rewarding, growing cactus from seeds. How do cactus seeds even form? It all starts with pollination. Some cacti self-pollinate, while others rely on bees, birds, or wind. Once pollinated, the flower fades and turns into a seed pod that holds dozens of tiny seeds, like grains of sand, ready to grow. Now you might ask, why grow from seed when you can just buy a plant? Growing from seeds gives you access to more species, especially rare ones you might never find in stores. It's also a lot more affordable. One seed packet can give you dozens of plants. But honestly, the best part is the experience itself. You'll need shallow containers like seed trays, small pots, or even plastic cups with drainage holes. To keep things humid, grab a clear plastic lid or wrap. For soil, go with a well-draining cactus mix or mix potting soil with sand and perlite. You'll also want a misting bottle, and if your space is chilly, consider a heating mat to keep temperatures consistent. Before planting, here's an important step: sterilize your soil. It might sound like extra work, but it helps prevent mold. Bake the soil at 180 degrees for 30 minutes, or microwave it for a few minutes, or just use a fresh, store-bought cactus mix to save time. Now let's set the stage for germination success. Sprinkle your seeds evenly on the soil surface. Don't bury them. Most cactus seeds need light to germinate. Just press them gently into the soil so they have contact without being fully covered. Tiny seeds can be tricky to handle, so feel free to use a toothpick or tweezers for precision. And try not to overcrowd them. Good spacing helps prevent mold and gives them room to grow. Once your seeds are in, cover the container with plastic or a humidity dome to trap warmth and moisture. Then place it in a warm, bright spot, but out of direct sun. Think filtered light from a window or a soft grow light. If your space runs cool, a heating mat can be a big help here. Cactus seeds love warmth and humidity. Keep things covered with plastic wrap or a dome to lock in that moisture. Think of it like a little greenhouse. They also need light, but not direct sun. Bright, indirect light or a gentle grow light works best. Too much sun can scorch the seedlings. Right after planting, mist the soil lightly. You want it moist, not soggy. Keep the soil consistently damp during germination. Mist it gently whenever it starts to dry out. And don't forget to crack open the cover now and then for airflow. This helps keep mold in check. Germination can take anywhere from a couple of weeks to a few months depending on the species. Keep everything warm, humid, and lightly misted. And don't give up if you don't see progress right away. If things feel stalled, check your temperature and light levels. A small change can make a big difference. Once you see seedlings appear, it's time to shift gears. First, help them adjust to life outside the humidity dome. Start by cracking the cover open a little each day. Over a week or two, you can remove it entirely. Next, increase their light gradually. Move them closer to a window or raise the intensity of your grow light. Just go slowly to avoid shocking the tender seedlings. When it comes to watering, still go gentle. Mist the soil lightly and let the top layer dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering is still a big risk at this stage. As the seedlings grow and crowd each other, it's time to transplant. Once they're big enough to handle, move them into their own small pots with fresh cactus soil. Be gentle, roots are still delicate. Once your seedlings are about a few months old, you can start feeding them with a diluted cactus fertilizer. Just go easy, young plants don't need much. From a tiny grain of a seed to a full-grown cactus that can last decades, it's a process worth every minute. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Until next time, happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.